If I find my way through the darkest of days, will I laugh about the things that kept me awake? But if my greatest fears paints itself so crystal clear, will I run away, or will I hide? And if I don't come home tonight, just know I tried my best to fight. Please don't think I plan to lose to the night. And crystal moon so dull and bright, my heavy soul can't stand the light. It burns me straight to the bones, my bones.